Are you still preparing the financial statement manually in Excel? फिर तो आपका पूरा टाइम फॉर्मूला लिंकिंग, पेज सेटअप, फॉर्मेटिंग, एडिटिंग में ही चला जाता होगा और फाइनेंशियल साइन होने के बाद भी कोई एरर तो रह नहीं गया, वो रिस्ट ओपन ही है. So introducing the latest version of Black Horse automation tool for chartered accountants to prepare the financial statement as per the Schedule 3 of the Companies Act and as per ICAI guidance note for non-corporate entity and LLP. This tool is integrated with Tally. You can import data from Tally with just click of one button. Once you import data from Tally, then 70 to 80% grouping is being done by the tool itself, and remaining grouping we have to do it only for the one time. Once that grouping is being done, then your balance sheet, profit and loss account, cash flow statement, everything is ready in printable format. To generate the notes, simply you need to come to the notes and just click on this button, prepare notes. Once you click on this button, prepare notes, then your all the notes are also going to be generated ready in printable format. All the page setup, formatting, editing is being done by the tool itself. The notes are also ready in printable format. In this tool, we can even calculate the depreciation as per the Schedule 2 of the Companies Act. So for that, we have the FAR sheet. So here we can maintain our FAR, and your depreciation as per the Companies Act is also going to be calculated automatically over here. Further, financial statements are never just being prepared based on the trial balance. There are many disclosure as per the accounting standard, as per the Schedule 3, as per the guidance notes are applicable. So whichever disclosure is applicable in our case, so we can just click on that tab and we can fill that particular disclosure, and that disclosure will flow to the notes to the account. Then even the ratios can also be calculated within this tool automatically. So all the ratios as per the Companies Act are going to be calculated over here. We have even given over here option to calculate the computation of the income. So there is an option available, computation of income tax, depreciation as per the income tax, and deferred tax can also be calculated within this tool itself. Further, once this is through, then we can even prepare the ITR 6 balance sheet, trading manufacturing account and P&L, which is further integrated with certain ITR filing softwares like Computex, Winman, Spectrum, Genius, and so on. If there is any error, so how do we get to know for that? So for that, we have given you over here check sheet. So in check sheet, all the errors of entire financials are being compiled. So ultimately, we have to ensure that before we give the final print, all the errors are being resolved. Once all the errors are resolved, then we can generate entire set of financial directly from here. So you can simply click on this print financial. Once you click on this print financial, then it is going to give you entire preview of entire financials, and then we can give the print also. So either you can take it print from here, or you can PDF export, or you can Excel export also from here itself. So we have a further advanced features like consolidation of accounts. So you can even prepare consolidated financial statement up to 25 entities. You get additionally branch-wise balance sheet, branch-wise P&L, and elimination report with respect to the consolidation. Further, we all know that financial statements are never being prepared just on one set of trial balance. Client keeps on sending you multiple versions of the trial balance. So you can even keep the track of the trial balance which they have sent you again and again. So there is a TB version option which is available. When you click on this, so this will tell you what all are the differences in the ledgers in between the versions. For example, you can see over here there was one of the TB which I have imported on 29th July at 4:10. So this was the amount. When I imported on 30th July 7:38, so these are the amounts, and there is a comparison of that which is being given over here. So in this TB version, you can keep the track of trial balance version which are being imported during the course of the audit. So this is the latest version of Black Horse automation tool. If you are still preparing the financial statement manually in Excel, then get the demo from us. Visit our website www.blackhorseexcellence.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.